Hi guys, this is Momshi Joy. So, I just finished washing the clothes of my husband because I am the one washing it kasi it's not that in good condition. So right now, si Baz is in his painting era. So, they will use the paint, the watercolor tomorrow, but he wants to do it now. So, ito siya, guys. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. So, igamit na niya, guys, ang watercolor na ugma pa man unta ni gamiton. Ugma pa man unta ni gamiton, but he wants to use it, so wala tayong magagawa. So tomorrow will be my last day nga ako ang mohatod ni ba, since I will be having my NLC 2. So mag-National Learning Camp na mi, guys, starting July 1. So iyan ang papa ang mohatod starting next week by Monday. Hopefully kaya ra. So sacrifice sa mi, guys, kay Dutch na. Wala na kwarta para pangyaya, para mubantay niya. So, sige lang. Mudako naman jud ang baby, no?
Oh my God.
You let me see your work? I wanna see it. I wanna see it, babe. Hello, wow! What is this?
A painting.
Painting? What is this? What is this, my love? What is that? Who is that? Whose baby is that? Aray ko! Bye-bye na. Bye-bye, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.